Hi class, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be talking about 3 different types of learners and how to study in a way that best fits your specific type of learning. So the first way to learn is being a kinesthetic learner. That means that you like to use your hands or get up and move during class in order to learn something and remember it. The second type of learner is going to be a visual learner. This means that you do really well with pictures or by looking at a screen or watching videos, and then you remember those things best. The third type of learner is an auditory learner. This person sometimes can do really well in a lecture just by hearing something repeated, they remember it easier. And sometimes if you watch a video and there's a song on there, it's bound to stick in your head because you are an auditory learner. So let's look at kinesthetics and how they study best. For all 3 of these types of learners, I would suggest making flashcards. Now, kinesthetic learners, their main tip with making these little study cards, first of all, to make them. And also, one key thing for kinesthetic learners is to take a break in between your studying. So let's say that you plan out 5 minutes to study, and then every 5 minutes you get a 2-minute social media break. So you get to be on your phone for a few minutes, then you go back to studying. That's really helpful for kinesthetic learners. Now, they can make flashcards. Put the term on one side and the definition on the other side. Flashcards are really good for kinesthetic learners because it allows you to use your hands. You can have someone test you. Anything like that is really good. Now, the second type of learner is going to be a visual learner. This person does really well with pictures. So, when you make flashcards, put the term on one side and draw a picture on the other. Also, if you are a visual learner, it's really helpful if your cards are colorful. So if you want to write the term in a different color, if you want to color the pictures, that's really helpful. The last type of learner is an auditory learner. It's going to be most helpful for you to create flashcards, term on one side, definition on the other, and then you need to get with a partner or a parent or a guardian or a sibling and have them test you on those flashcards. Because the more they say the question, the easier it is for you to remember the answer. Or you can read it out loud to yourself a few times, and then that tends to help it stick. So those are just how to use flashcards to study and how to study for specific types of learning. Good luck with your next test or quiz.